Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the Sport Mate P300 ball pump. As you can see back here on the side of the box, it gives you some instructions what it has, and in the back it comes with the USB-C cable, 2 ball needles, user manual. I like the way it's well shaped, well wrapped. Solid box. As you can see, it comes with a calibration certificate. It even tells you who actually tested the product. You see it passed all the requirements for the item. Here's the user manual. Wow, that's perfect. USB goes there. We got 2 needles. There you go. We have I like it. It's small. So you're gonna pull out the needle from there. I like the way it's actually the needles fitted perfectly, so it won't actually fall off, because those things are easy to lose. In the middle, you actually turn it on. As you can see, perfect well build. There's a USB cable. Nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna charge it before we test it. So here we have a comparison between the DeWalt Big Ol' Monster device, and this is what some people use to inflate their balls. But then you can see the different sizes. I'd rather pick the small one because you can actually take it with you. Here we're gonna inflate a basketball. Turning on the device, you select the mode on your right hand side. Usually it's a PSI. The manual tells you the instructions, how much you should put of air to that ball. So I should have put the needle first, but I'm twisting it. There I go. So what you want to do is put the needle on the device first and then insert it to the ball. And then you select the PSI. I selected 8.0. And then you turn it on. So you can see it's pumping. You can see the numbers going high. This is totally gonna change the way you want to inflate a sports ball, because it's much easier. Instead of taking a pump or taking as you can see, I'll show you the device for the DeWalt, but this the small pump does the job very well. Here I have it's a boxing. Inflate this. As you can see, it needs air. You insert the needle, and then you press the power in the middle. And Don't forget, there's different modes you could actually use the device. You could select the basketball, you could select the football, and you can select a soccer ball. You can see you could get this on Amazon. If you want to purchase this, you go to the website ETENWOLF.com. Pretty fast, quick, and easy to use. Now, if you want to take the air off, you could select the other mode and you press it, and it actually takes the air off automatically, and it does it very quick. Perfect. This is awesome. I'm going to switch it back to inflate. I'm going to connect it first, insert it. Make sure I selected 9.0 psi, and look at how fast. This is a very great tool to have around because it gets the job done. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, let's try a soccer ball. This one's so it doesn't have air, so I'm gonna put air on it. And the good thing about this, it comes with 2 needles. And you can select the mode as you press it. I selected a soccer ball, so I'm gonna use 9.0 PCI. Perfect device, look at that. Fast and quick. And it charges very fast. So if you put it on the USB cable, it charges fast within like 30 minutes to an hour. You get a full charge. Perfect. So you guys don't forget to get this at ETENWOLF.com. It's a great device to have. I really recommend this device. And any questions, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.